Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Payoneer to Stripe payouts, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Payoneer to Stripe payouts, start by logging into your Payoneer account. Once logged in, navigate to the withdraw section. In the withdrawal options, select to bank account. Here, you will need to link your bank account if you haven't already. Click on link a new bank account. Fill in your bank details as required. Make sure your bank account is eligible to receive funds from Payoneer. After entering your bank information, save the details. Now, go back to the withdraw section. Select your linked bank account from the list. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw to your bank account. Confirm the currency for the withdrawal. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is accurate. Once verified, submit the withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation email once your request has been processed. Next, log into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Payouts section in your Stripe dashboard. Ensure your bank account linked in Stripe matches the one you used for the Payoneer withdrawal. Check if the funds from Payoneer have arrived in your bank account. This may take a few business days, depending on processing times. Once the funds appear in your bank account, you can use them for your Stripe payouts. Always keep track of your transactions for easy reference. Following these steps will help you seamlessly transfer funds from Payoneer to Stripe payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.